Indiana boy, I'm used to this.
One play, man. Hey, we already in the game. Let's go get that number one seed, so.
Here in New England, Gillette Stadium, wintry conditions. The current temperature is 17 degrees. Merry Christmas. We'll see if the Bengals can provide an early gift by winning their 7th consecutive game.
We just focus on the details. We got to establish ourselves as the most improved.
The Bengals begin from their own 22. Burrow back to throw. Flings it deep for T. Higgins. Oh. He's got it.
Oh my God, T. I see you, T. Uh-oh. Stop.
Here's Burrow out of the gun on 2nd and 5. Catch made. T. Higgins lowers his shoulder into the end zone. Touchdown, Bengals. And they just moved it down the field with ease.
Let's rock, y'all boys. Let's rock.
They give it to Stevenson, and he loses 2. Jessie Bates knifing through the defense.
4th down.
Patriots' first 2 drives, 3 and outs.
Shotgun snap to Burrow. He has time.
Got him.
Throws for the end zone.
Oh,
Trenton Irwin with the catch.
Yeah.
Touchdown.
Nice.
Bengals.
Okay, T.I.
That's another touchdown pass for Joe Burrow. They are ripping the Patriots apart.
Hey, T.I. Cornhole. That was a dime by 9. Yeah, it was. That was a dime. He looked off McCourty. Across the middle.
What a half so far for the Bengals. They lead it 15-0. Burrow looking, throws it right. It is Irwin. He's got it. Trenton Irwin with his 2nd touchdown catch here in the first half. 22-0. Cincinnati leads the Patriots. Patriots trailing by 10 with 6:13 to go. 3rd down and 29. Now he's going to launch it toward the end zone. It is deflected and caught by Jacoby Myers for the Patriots' miraculous touchdown.
Hail Mary. We're gonna go out there and win the game. Let's go. One more stop. Let's go. One more stop.
Mac Jones waiting for the shotgun snap. Hands it off. Stevenson stacked up.
DJ.
Going backward. Tackled. The ball is out. The Bengals are celebrating. They've got it. The Bengals recovered the football. That should be coffin nails.
Ball game. Ball game. Turkey boys. Turkey boys. All right. Merry Christmas.
So the Bengals' hopes of winning the number 1 seed in the AFC are still alive. The final score on Christmas Eve: Cincinnati 22, New England 18.